Tashi delay to all. Sikkim police is making excellent.
Sangmar tashi delay shukyu ta. Chino konsa kyamkwen chimbo choki kando su chipkyu nangyu yimbar dika tenjong yendo legong ne thati legbar shuishin yu. Rinpoche chone dika tse chukchi ne chupshik par. Chipkyu katin zegyu sheshe nawar nganzo hachangi gabu chungla sane mimayo ne kate tosungi nga pepsu shukyu yin.
Everybody is very excited.
Dir nganzo tenjong yendo legongi yala dhamin nyamrupki yendo ba gegya lazam ne sane su timchui tang mima tungzom kap ngensel lengen kotik nembu shuyo la.
Regarding the traffic, regarding the crowd control, regarding public order, we are ensuring excellent security arrangements. Different branches of Sikkim police, the special branch, the traffic branch, the security branch, the law and order branch, the crime branch, all are pitching in together, including the home guards and civil defense.
Nganzo miyu la khonsa cho dir sane su shugab zega tsawa ne miyowe thatik dan rewa shushin yobata nyamdo theden choshuwa mangso namne kya kongi kusu detan yongwe mendin shushildu.
Are praying for his good health, and we all are there trying to put our best foot forward for His Holiness.